Today, I'd like to show you one of the fastest ways to blur a face or a part of your video you want to make not visible. You don't need to do it frame by frame anymore. Use the snipping tool on Windows or press Command plus Shift plus 4 on Mac to capture the portion of the clip you want to blur or blur anything you want. Then, open Canva, create a new project, and set the background to green. Next, import your snipped picture into the Canva project. Once it's imported, click on it and go to the Animation tab. From there, select the Custom option. Adjust the path according to the movement of the object in your clip. Export your clip and overlay it on the part you want to blur. Use the green-blue screen removal tool and voila!
Big thanks for all the likes, subscription, and notification bells. They allow you to stay up to date with the upcoming content.